Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received or WhatsApp verification code problem in any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you found any available update for your WhatsApp Messenger, then update it. In my case, there is no update available. Once the process has been completed, move back from here and open Settings. Tap on Apps. Search for WhatsApp. Open it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. Move back. Tap on Battery. Select Optimized. Tap on Permissions. Allow all the permissions one by one. Move back and tap on Notifications. Make sure to allow it. After that, open your WhatsApp application. Select your country and enter your phone number. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.